We're here at the Coex Mall
Migogen.
in Gangnam Style. This is a giant mall. It's on the lists. It's all on all the lists for things to do in Gangnam.
And it's got the biggest aquarium in all of Korea, maybe. South Korea for sure, but I assume all of Korea.
You obviously haven't been to the Pyongyang aquarium, and neither have I.
I imagine if they had a big aquarium in Pyongyang, they would have ate all the fish out of there long ago.
Yep.
This is what Korean modern art looks like right here.
I think she's trying to grab a carrot for something.
Yeah.
Even the rocket looks pretty phallic.
As someone who spent over $2 million on my personal Lego collection, they have Lego corn, and I've never seen that before.
As someone who spent over $3 on my personal Lego collection, I have seen corn before, just not in Lego form. We were just informed by a very friendly lady who works here,
Beautiful lady.
a very beautiful, pretty, friendly lady, that next year is the year of the rabbit, 2023. That's why this whole art gallery is rabbit themed.
One thing I will say, Korea's got a lot of beautiful women here. God bless America, the protector of Korea.
And Japan.
All
And
of
all of the earth.
you. We live in a society.
So we had no idea that this was here, but this is really cool. I don't know, this is like a Lego thing.
Exhibition.
Yeah, it's just here. This is a huge mall, so it's kind of cool that there's just random shit like this here.
A mall, where is it?
In Opa Dope Gangnam Style.
Do the Gangnam Style
Gangnam.
dance.
Gangnam Style. Everybody do the Gangnam Style.
That's
Did I
right.
do it right?
Yes.
If you don't subscribe to Just Life, you'll get what you fucking deserve. Everybody always talks about Japanese vending machines, but here the Korean vending machines also do pretty well. I got some palmy. You say palmy, I say palm wine, but I got some palmy, so you can understand. Let's try it out, some grape palmy. Oh, okay. That's interesting. So it's
Coconut and
coconut grape. I like it. It's really refreshing. I think I like the Japanese grape juice I drank better, the white grape juice, but this is still really good.
Do you like Naija or Korean palmy better?
Oh, it's got chunks of coconut in there. I'm gonna have to give it to Naija Palmy, but that's just because you can get little medicinal properties from it. This, I don't know if it has any medicinal properties. I don't have an old grandmother telling me for a fact that it does.
Yeah, in Nigeria it's a lot more natural, I think, than here.
And delicious.
This is the legendary, the famous aquarium. The biggest in all of Korea, at least the south for sure.
Look, they got the Finding Nemo fish, Dories. They got a couple of
I think you'll find they have the Finding Dory fish, Dory.
Yeah, they do. I like that one. I like the giraffe fish.
I'll be honest, I think I'd like eating any of them.
Yeah.
Maybe.
I dig it. I like tropical fish. You guys seen anything about investing in tropical fish? It's gonna blow up to the moon.
He's actually got a huge tropical fish collection. How much have you spent on it?
At least $40,000.
Yeah, he spent like $40,000.
Oh fuck! I forgot to feed him. I've been in Asia for a month already. Fuck! I'm ruined. I'm ruined.
He's joking. His dad feeds him.
I would never be so foolish as to let my tropical babies die.
Let me ask you, the 40,000, is that just on the fish, or is it 40,000 counting like aquariums and water and expenses?
That's just on the aquarium, which is about this size, and one fish.
Okay.
I'll say this, guys. I don't know how I feel about the cultural exploitation of my people. Us swamp people love the manatee. every birthday I would have manatee meat as a treat, you know? And to think that they brought one of those beautiful creatures, those beautiful, sexy creatures, all the way here to Korea. I don't know if I can abide that. I might have to break it out of here.
Guys, I've done it. I found Nemo.
Which one's got the fucked up fin? Oh my god, those are killing each other.
Yeah, they should have deformed some of these clownfish.
He's not serious about that. We don't support animal cruelty. Wink, wink.
Don't check out the Nigeria videos then.
I believe just a few days ago I was munching on one of these Mugu boys. Fugu Mugu.
All right, guys, today we learned the story of Korean fish.
I hope it's a good one.
It's dark.
You see these boys are breathing air. They suck it up like
koi fish.
like koi fish that are coming to the surface to breathe air.
Justin, stop being so coy.
My God, they're eating me. They're consuming me.
Would he be upset if I just scooped all these fish up with my hands?
I don't think you could get any of them out. You just crush them.
I definitely think I could.
They should put one piranha in here. That would be a pretty good prank, eh?
I definitely think I could scoop most of these out.
No, they move.
Look, I literally picked some out of the water.
You're a big bully.
You can definitely scoop them out. This is a really cool room they got going on here. There's a bunch of like aquariums down below. We're gonna go down there, but I just want to show you from the top view. That's all.
They're really active right now.
Yes, lucky us. Hey, I didn't know I'd be seeing so much beaver here in Korea. We live in an anemone. Anemone.
Before you mock Lane's ridiculous pronunciation, you try to say that. Why is the world so cruel? We live in an enemy.
Yeah. I don't think I want to swim in here.
Everybody knows that sharks cannot swim in water where their feet cannot touch the bottom.
They can also not tell a lie.
That's true.
You'll never find stingrays like these in deep water because they have to touch the bottom.
Stingrays are notoriously frugal also.
Hey, do you know what type of shark that is?
Mango.
It's a white tip reef shark.
Is that real too?
Yes.
What the fuck? I saw the white tip, but I'm like, I don't fucking know. So there's a black tip and a white tip reef shark.
Yeah.
All right.
Well, it's been a real fortunate year for a nature lover like me. First, I saw these in the wild because they live next to Justin's house. And now I get to see them pooping right here, live.
Mark my words, lifers. I'm gonna break these things out of here and carry them back to my swamp.
Quick, turn around and kick this as hard as you can on video. Just kick it.
Yeah, they belong in my swamp. Bring them back. I don't think they're anywhere else.
Send them
I
all
think
back,
they're in the Amazon
Florida.
too. These
Gotta
might be
send
Amazon.
them all back
To Florida.
where they belong.
These might be Amazonian ones, actually.
We were wrong. These aren't the Floridian ones. I think the Florida ones are actually bigger anyways. These are all from West Africa. So you don't have to send them back to Florida. Send them back to where they're from.
Which is, as we know, West Africa. Also,
I wonder if they have them in Nigeria.
I feel like they would have shown us if we...
They didn't show us hippos because we couldn't find water where they couldn't touch the ground.
I don't know. Maybe they are in Nigeria. That would be good for our new series coming someday.
If
Back
you're from
to
Nigeria and you've seen one of these in the wild, let me know.
We're talking to you, Yume. We see your comments, and we appreciate you.
We love you.
Tell us if we said your name wrong. I'm sorry if we did.
We definitely said it wrong, I think I might have done this to him before in video. The aquariums where you get to walk under the fish are always really cool. So it's nice that they have this. And they have a really big one too. We just came to the end of it. It always comes back to Mexico.
Literally 100% of the time. This is now the official animal of Just Life.
Just Life Korea series.
They're very sensitive to light. You're killing them.
Look at those two lovebirds. It was horribly blurry. I shouldn't have zoomed in. One of our favorite pastimes in Asia, in public places, is just airdropping our pictures to people.
I took a picture that I'll show you in a second, but people are accepting it. I've gotten like 3 people to accept it already. I'll show you the picture in a second. When
It was the salamander.
This handsome boy right here.
This is good advertising if I've ever seen one. We're at the candy store just across from the aquarium, and they use the baby shark thing for certain colors.
Very intelligent.
Smart.
I'm getting some gummy Leonards.
This has never really been talked about much on Just Life, but Justin is struggling with type 2 diabetes, and insulin is pretty expensive now that he has no health insurance.
I have the one where I need sugar, not the one where I have too much sugar.
Yeah.
That's why I'm buying gummies.
So, if you guys want to help him pay for his insulin,
This is also something
then
that's
you'll
not talked
subscribe
about
and
a
you'll
lot.
watch.
But I actually have a prosthetic leg. Right? Aha, aha. Olga.
Look, they have a Dutch restaurant. We was kings.
I can't wait to go and get some haselslash.
We alls was kings. I am the Dutch. I love Zwarte Piet. In Dutch. Well, that's going to be it from this mall here in Gangnam. And
Opa Coex Mall style.
I hope you guys enjoyed. Gangnam style is a totally different lifestyle to the rest of Seoul, as we all know.
Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Tell us what song we should base a video around next.
Hey guys, I'll be honest. I love eating eggs in the morning, and I kind of got a little bit of a reputation. And well, this is my nickname back home.
You know, it's funny. I think I've actually heard of this place before. I'm gonna go check it out.
I actually don't like eggs at all.
I do. These are the things you can buy at Egg Slut. We're not hungry because we just had a succulent Chinese, Korean meal, fucking KFC meal.